Coming to you with today's slay. Nava, what are you doing? So many different ways you can slay and fillet.
Shut the front door.
Get up. Get up.
Cause y'all know I went to hair school. Class is fit to be in session.
I appreciate the improvement now.
Janet.
We don't have all day, even when we do, we don't. Hit A. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay. Coming to you with today's slay. Today's slay is being brought to you by Janet Collection. So we are going to get into some layer bob work.
Class is fit to be in session.
Okay, right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Braid. You're the bomb. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you feel me? I need you to join the family and join the fun. Hit A. Let's talk about these butter fizzy lizzies. Butterfly locks. So these are from Janet Collection. These are from their Knowledge Trust line, you guys. I wanted to do their bundle value pack where they give you 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch locks in one pack. So I can get into some technical styling with you guys.
Cause y'all know I went to hair school.
I know style. Nava, what are you doing? Y'all, my cats are so rude. My cats act like I don't work. We're gonna talk layers real quick and then we're gonna get to styling, y'all, okay? Let me just show you the pack first so you know what I'm talking about. This is the pack of hair, okay? Janet Collection Knowledge Trust Butterfly Locks, and I have color 1B. They have included a bundle of 10, a bundle of 12, and a bundle of 14. Not only do you have a lot of color options, but you also have styling options, many of them. Just say you want your bob to be a 10-inch bob. We'll just use all 10 inches. If you want a longer bob, you use the 14 or the mix the 12 and 14. Just depends. So many different ways you can slay and fillet these butterfly locks. So I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do today. If you want a long bob style, like a longer layered bob style, you start with the 14 at the bottom. When I say start, if you're gonna use all 3 lengths, think about your head in 3 sections. You got your bottom section like this. Got that bottom section, right? Now you're going to include this in the bottom section, even though this is in front. We're going to tear up. So this right here is your bottom section, then go up. This is your middle section, then up here is your top section, okay? This is your top. If you want a long bob style, your first section is going to be the 14-inch. All up and through here, you're going to install 14 inches. So you're going to have a 14-inch bob. It will be no longer than 14 inches. When you come up to this midsection, right up and through here, you're going to use 12, okay? That's going to start to layer it a little shorter. Then once you get up to the top, you're going to use the 10 inches. Think of it in hair and not braids, where you see like short pieces around the face and a couple pieces around the chin, and then it's long. It's going to give you that effect, that type of layer effect. So shortest, middle, longest. Now, what I'm going to do is the opposite. I want my bob to be shorter off in the back, okay? So I'm actually going to start back here. My first section, I'm going to start with 10. Then my second section, I'm going to go to 12. Then my last section, I'm going to go to 14. So my longest pieces are going to almost meet with my shortest pieces. If you lean your head forward like this, it's going to give you the forward diagonal bob look. So that's the bob that we're going for today. 10 locks per bundle. There are 3 bundles per pack. So there are 30 locks per pack. Y'all, it looks like they have worked on these loops.
Shut the front door.
Honey, the loop is there. Last time I used these, you have to like pull it down a little bit and widen the loop. Honey, look at the loop. Look at the loop, honey. It's there. It has arrived. Boy.
Janet.
Y'all been in the lab now. Come on now. I like that. Man, they was like, listen, I'm sick of people talking about these loops.
Make the loop better.
I appreciate the improvement now. These are very light and these are chunky, you guys. I like them chunky. Hey. Chunky also means it's not gonna take all day. I said it's not gonna take all day. No, because we don't have it. We don't have all day, even when we do. We don't. So let me just see how this feels placing it. Now, you're going to point your latch hook down. Y'all know what time it is. I just want to see how this feels before I really get in here with some styling. Once you get that loop in, you really can stop pulling through. You don't want to pull this all the way through your hair, especially these edges right here, because they will leave you and not think twice. All right, they don't care about you, your mom and them, nobody. They will be out of here. Yes, come on, Janet. I'll probably do these first two on the side as 10s and then just take it across all the way like this. That's going to be our first section, okay? And then we're going to take the next 4. These are going to be 12. That's going to be this section right here. Then everything else is going to be 14. I just wanted to show you how easy these are. And use your 2 fingers to pull the lock through the loop. Don't use the end of the latch hook, okay? Because you will disturb the pattern of the butterfly lock. And you don't want to do that because it's so pretty. 1.5 to 2 finger widths apart because these are quite juicy.
Juicy fruit. Hey.
We have this row across. Well, we need another one because this section got to be a little wider. So we're going to do another row across. So this is our 10 section right here, y'all. I'm going to do 12 here and here. And then across here, it's going to be 12. And then just this top and a little bit up here, kind of like a horseshoe. That's going to be the 14, okay? So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back with the final result. Janet Collection, Knowledge Tress, Butterfly Locks. This is their value pack, color 1B. They provide 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch, 30 locks per pack, okay? But hold on, don't go nowhere, because I got to show you the final result. Yeah. Hold on, y'all, hold on.
Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle